Are you having an ice cream eating competition? Whoa! Looks like you got brain freeze! Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Walter, you've got it bad! Hey, Carl! Looks like there's a problem. You better go check it out. Whoa! Looks like Billy got hypnotized by the rhythm of Dane's ball. Oh no! Billy's been hypnotized to destroy everything in sight! You'd better stop him before he does something dangerous! Dane, what happened? You told him to wreck it all. Oh, you were talking about your construction project? Billy must have thought you meant everything in this city because he was hypnotized. Right, let's clean up the city and stop Billy. Billy sure did a lot of damage. Massimo, are you okay? You fell on a banana skin. Don't worry, Supertruck will stop Billy. Whoa, Jerry, look out! Oh no! Looks like someone's trapped! Walter, are you okay? Oh, your hat protected you. Must be pretty hard. What? Billy is heading for the power crystal? Supertruck, he's heading for the power crystal. If he hits it, the city is done for. Right, Walter. Supertruck needs to slow Billy down. Slow down. Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Of course. You can use the freeze ray. Billy, this is for your own good. Yes! Wow! The brain freeze cured his hypnosis. Billy, you were hypnotized. Supertruck cured you with brain freeze. Supertruck, it's happening again! You'd better do something! Oh, it's a hypnosis show! Billy is hypnotized to think Walter is an ice cream? Look out, Walter! Hey, Carrie, what are you up to? You've made special cookies for Women's Day. Oh no! Jerry! He stole the cookies! Good idea! Supertruck can stop him! Carl, we need your help. Jerry stole the cookies Carrie made for Women's Day. We need you to stop him. Jerry headed towards the construction site. A transformation! Good idea! Jerry had better watch out now. He's no match for a police truck. He's getting away! He got away! What will you do? Nice! Supertruck! What a mess! This could be dangerous. The babies come home from school this way. Supertruck, you'd better do something. The ST3000? Great idea! But which transformation? The telekinetic beam, eh? You can get all the mess off the ground for sure. Be careful, babies. There was an accident here. Don't worry. You just head home, okay? Right. What to do with all the mess? Good idea, Edna. Supertruck, you can put it in Edna's excavator for now. She knows how to get rid of it properly. Not so fast, mister. We didn't forget about you. Why did you do it? Why did you steal the cookies? You wanted to give Edna a gift for Women's Day? Well, that's thoughtful, but you still shouldn't steal. You should have bought them or done something else. What can Jerry do to pay for his crime? You're working here now, Jerry? Right, Supertruck. Crime never pays. Well, enjoy your shakes, guys. Bye-bye. Looks like Car City is undergoing road maintenance. Edna and Billy seem to be having a lot of fun at work. Hello, Dane. Looks like you're enjoying watching your friends at work. Dane, be careful. You don't want to drive onto fresh concrete. Oh, no. This is going to get you into big trouble. I'm afraid it's too late. The concrete is hardened already. What are we going to do? What do you think, Edna? We should call Supertruck? That's a great idea. Let's do it. Hi, Carl. How are you? Don't worry about those potholes. Our construction team is improving roads in Car City. Unfortunately, there was an incident near the construction site, and we need your help. Can you come? Perfect! Thank you, Carl. Edna and Billy were laying new concrete road when Dane decided to cross the street. Unfortunately, he drove onto fresh concrete and got stuck. Looks like we're gonna need something stronger to free Dane. Be careful, Supertruck. Dane isn't as hard as concrete is. That drill is more powerful than I thought. This may not be such good news. Oh no! The super drill is causing a super earthquake! Supertruck, stop! Oh my goodness! We've got fire! Guys, you need to calm down. Stay away from the fire. Supertruck, you need to do something quickly! Don't worry, Dane. Supertruck knows what to do to save you. Good job, friends. This is teamwork at its best. Yes, the fire is under control. And you are free, Dane. That was a scary situation, wasn't it, Dane? Supertruck, thank you so much for saving us from this disaster. You are a true superhero, and you two also showed a lot of bravery. Well done! What's the matter, guys? Oh, I see. All the remaining concrete has hardened, and you can't finish your work. Huh? You've got an idea, Supertruck? Excellent! The concrete is soft again, and you can finish your work. Well done, Supertruck. See you next time, friends. Hello, baby Rocky. What are you towing? Oh, you made it for Father's Day. That is a brilliant idea, baby Rocky. You are so creative. Oh no! Baby Rocky, your engine has a problem. Oh dear. Baby Rocky has lost control and cannot steer. We need to call for help. Hello, Carl. We've got an emergency. Baby Rocky did a test flight with a present for his dad when suddenly he lost control and crash-landed somewhere in the city. We have to find him and see if he's all right. Can you help us, Carl?
No.
What's that, super truck? You think we can track Baby Rocky with these pieces of paper? Good thinking, detective. Perfect! That's it! No more paper! Look, Super Truck! This is the banner Baby Rocky was towing in the air! But where is he? What was that? Look, Super Truck! It's Baby Rocky!
Super truck.
Baby Rocky, how did you end up in this bin? You fell into it when you crashed with the banner? We need to take it off that lamppost, Super Truck. Can you manage it?
Super truck.
It's way too high, Super Truck. We need help. We need something that can go up there and untangle the banner. Which gadget are you going to choose, Super Truck? Yes! Way to go, Super Truck! That's the wrong way, Super Truck! Come on, Super Truck! You can make it! Yes! Don't worry, Baby Rocky. Super Truck will help you fix the banner. Well, Rocky, Super Truck wants to show you something important. Be patient, Rocky. It'll be worth it. Okay, Rocky, turn around. Way to go, Baby Rocky! This is for you, Rocky. We've got Father's Day today. You must be very proud of your son. Well done, Super Truck. You saved the day. I wonder what adventures are waiting for us in the next episode. Hey, kids. Thanks for watching. If you like Super Truck, click here to subscribe. For more adventures, click here. See you on the road.